PLR products versus affiliate marketing. What's right for you? If you want to start making profit online quickly, without having to spend a long time creating your own product from scratch, then you have two simple strategies that you can use: affiliate marketing or selling a PLR product. Which is right for you? In this presentation, we'll attempt to answer that question. First, let's take a look at what these two terms mean. PLR stands for Private Label Rights, and that essentially means that you have permission to resell a product such as an ebook, as well as to make any changes to it that you see fit. You buy the package once, and in exchange you can sell it as many times as you like, to as many people as you like. Affiliate marketing, meanwhile, means that you are selling a product that belongs to another creator. You get commission each time you make a sale, and that way you can begin profiting right away. The great thing about affiliate marketing is that you often will get 75% or more of the total profit, meaning you actually earn more than the creator. The advantage of affiliate marketing, of course, is that there is zero upfront expense. You begin selling something that already exists. There's no need to purchase a license. Conversely, with PLR products, you need to make the upfront purchase before you can begin to profit. This also means you need to shift a certain number of units before you'll break even. But what you're getting for that cost is much more than just the right to resell. Being able to edit a product as you see fit gives you a huge amount of freedom and flexibility in how you approach sales. This means that you can pretend the product is your own, and that way you'll be increasing engagement with your audience and improving your trust and authority. What's more is that you can actually make 100% profit for a PLR product, and you get to set your own price. Then there's the fact that you can include it as part of a package, or introduce limited time offers. In other words, you get much more flexibility while ensuring that your customers are only dealing with you and your site. But who says you have to choose at all? Why not try selling an affiliate product to test the market and see if you have the potential to make sales? If that's a success, buy your own PLR package and take control.